Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza and welcome to the next episode of my HTML training tutorial here at A Coder's Journey. In this episode, I have decided to talk a little bit about colors and how to use colors in HTML. Of course, we're going to have another series for using CSS, which can help us, better style our HTML elements. But in this episode, let's talk briefly about how to use, colors in HTML. Now here I've got another HTML5 for this episode, right? And I have it open in my browser. I have nothing in the body tag. So suppose I will have, a paragraph, right? And I'm going to say this is a simple paragraph. I'm going to save and I'm going to refresh. And as you can see, here is the paragraph. Now, for using colors, of course, you can use the, style attribute, as we have already talked about. In order to, change the color of the text, you can use the color attribute. And then, as you can see here, we've got a whole list of colors which you can use. For example, I'm going to say blue, right? And if I save, come back here, refresh, the color of the text has changed. And the color, we've got the color. We can also use the background color. Background color is yellow, for example. And then I'm gonna say, as you can see, the background color is changed. Another one that we can use is the border color. So for using this border, let me copy this. I'm going to say this is a simple paragraph element with a border color, right? And here we can say, we have a border, and this border, first we need to add the, for example, size, and then we're going to say this is a solid border, and finally we're going to specify the color. And if I refresh here, as you can see, this paragraph has a black solid color, right? A border color of red, and the style is solid. And of course, we have different ways to kind of specify the border that we want. For example, we can say dotted, and then we can refresh and we can change the border. We're not gonna get into the details of using the style attribute, because I will probably create a playlist for CSS and I will teach you guys everything you need to know about styles and how to add them to your elements. But just I want to show you that using the style attribute, you can set the color, the background color, and the border color. That's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Of course, there are different ways to specify the color or the background color. Here we use the name, and there are other ways. For example, the RGB, RGBA, you have the HSL or HSLA. We're not going to get into the details of these, and I will probably talk about them in my CSS series. Anyway, thank you guys for taking the time and watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If that's the case, please give this video a like. That's very important. That keeps us going. And don't forget to subscribe to A Coder's Journey, activate that notification bell, and also share this video with a friend if he or she is learning how to code in HTML. Stay around. In the next video, we're going to talk about different stuffs in HTML5. Thank you guys for watching. Till later, and bye-bye.